Creating an NFT, non-fungible token, from your picture allows you to digitally own, sell, or trade your artwork or photos on the blockchain. NFTs are unique digital assets stored on a blockchain, ensuring authenticity and ownership. By turning your picture into an NFT, you can monetize your creativity in the booming digital marketplace. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of minting an NFT from your image, listing it for sale, and promoting it to potential buyers. Step 1. Select and prepare your image. Choose a high-quality image that you want to convert into an NFT. Supported file formats typically include JPEG, PNG, GIF, MP4, or even 3D files like GLB. Ensure that the image is unique and has value for collectors. If necessary, enhance the image using Photoshop, Canva, or other editing software to adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness, or add artistic effects. If you're creating a collection, consider making multiple variations with different traits. Once you're satisfied, save the file in a high-resolution format. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. To create and sell NFTs, you'll need a crypto wallet to store digital assets and interact with the blockchain. One of the most widely used wallets is MetaMask, which is available as a browser extension, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, or a mobile app, iOS, Android. Download and install MetaMask from the official website. Click Create a new wallet, set a strong password, and most importantly, save your seed phrase securely. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access. Next, you need to add cryptocurrency to your wallet to cover any transaction fees. Most NFT marketplaces use the Ethereum ETH blockchain, so you'll need ETH. You can buy ETH from Binance, Coinbase, or any exchange and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. If you want to avoid high gas fees, you can also use Polygon, Matic, which is a cheaper alternative. Step 3. Choose an NFT marketplace. There are several NFT marketplaces where you can mint and sell your NFT. The most popular options include OpenSea, best for beginners, supports Ethereum and Polygon, Rarible, allows for customizable NFT smart contracts, and Foundation, for exclusive and curated NFT collections. For this guide, we'll use OpenSea, as it is the most beginner-friendly and allows free minting on Polygon. Visit OpenSea.io, click Connect Wallet, and select MetaMask. A pop-up will appear. Approve the connection, and your wallet is now linked to OpenSea. Step 4. Mint your NFT. Now that your wallet is connected, go to OpenSea and click Create at the top right corner. This will open the NFT creation page. Upload your image file, JPEG, PNG, GIF, or MP4 for animations. Fill in the title and description. Make sure to provide a clear and engaging description that explains the NFT's uniqueness. You can also add external links, such as your social media or website. Next, choose a collection, if applicable, and set properties or attributes, e.g., if it's part of a collection with different traits. Then, select the blockchain. Ethereum is the most popular, but it requires gas fees. If you want a gas-free minting experience, select Polygon, Matic. Once everything is filled in, click Create. Congratulations, your NFT is now minted. Step 5. List your NFT for sale. Once the NFT is created, go to your profile. Select the NFT you want to sell. Click Sell and choose how you want to sell it. Fixed price. Set a specific price in ETH or Matic. Auction. Bidders compete and the highest offer wins after a set time. Timed auction. Set a time limit for the highest bid to win. Set your price, choose the duration, 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or custom, and confirm the listing. If this is your first time listing an NFT on Ethereum, you may have to pay an initial gas fee to enable selling. Polygon does not require this fee. Once confirmed, your NFT is now listed for sale on OpenSea. Step 6. Promote your NFT. Now that your NFT is live, you must promote it to attract buyers. Share the NFT link on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, and Reddit. Engage with NFT communities. Join Telegram or Discord groups, and participate in discussions to increase visibility. You can also collaborate with other artists, run giveaways, or offer exclusive perks to buyers. Following these steps, your NFT is now minted, listed, and ready to be sold on the blockchain.